Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn the future tense. We're gonna learn how to say things like I will go to the market tomorrow or I'm going to go to the market tomorrow. And also we're gonna learn the negative of these sentences and be able to say I won't go to the market tomorrow or I'm not going to go to the market tomorrow. Alright, now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to Table 1 to learn how to form the future tense. In order to form the future tense, we need to use the word sa or saufa at the beginning of our verb. Let's look at the first example. I will learn Arabic or I'm going to learn Arabic. أنا سأدرس العربية or أنا سوف أدرس العربية. So as you can see, here we have the verb أدرس, which means I learn. And in order to change it into I will learn or I'm going to learn, we just add sa or saufa to the beginning of it and turn it from أدرس to سأدرس or سوف أدرس. Let's look at another example. He will go to Egypt or he is going to go to Egypt. هو سيذهب إلى مصر or هو سوف يذهب إلى مصر. Here again we have the verb يذهب and we add sa or saufa to the beginning of it to turn it into the future tense. So it goes from يذهب, he goes, to سيذهب or سوف يذهب, meaning he will go or he is going to go. Now let's move on to the second table to see how we can negate the future tense. Whenever we use the word لن to negate our verb, sa or saufa disappears from the beginning of the verb. In other words, لن replaces sa or saufa. Now let's look at the first example. I won't learn Arabic or I'm not going to learn Arabic. أنا لن أدرس العربية. Let's look at the second example. He won't go to Egypt or he's not going to go to Egypt. هو لن يذهب إلى مصر. Okay, that's pretty much all the grammar we're gonna need. But before moving on to the sample sentences, there's one more thing we need to learn when we use the word لن to negate our verb. Let's look at the last example in Table 2. You, plural, won't go to the market, or you are not going to go to the market. Now let's look at it in Arabic. أنتم لن تذهبوا إلى السوق. If we look at our verb here, we notice that the letter noon or n has disappeared from the end of it, and it has gone from تذهبون, which means you all go, to لن تذهبوا, so that n at the end has disappeared. And that's what the word لن does to the verbs that end in the letter n or noon. It makes the letter n disappear. Okay, great. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. I'm going to learn Arabic next year. أنا سأدرس العربية السنة القادمة. Number 2. I'm going to go to the park this afternoon. أنا سأذهب إلى الحديقة هذا المساء. Number 3. He is going to work at a school next year. هو سيعمل في مدرسة السنة القادمة. Number 4. She's going to go to Egypt next month. هي ستذهب إلى مصر الشهر القادم. Number 5. We are not going to learn Arabic at university. نحن لن ندرس العربية في الجامعة. Number 6. They are not going to go to the restaurant this afternoon. هم لن يذهبوا إلى المطعم هذا المساء. Number 7. We are not going to go to the party today. نحن لن نذهب إلى الحفلة اليوم. Number 8. Where are you going to go this afternoon? أين ستذهبون هذا المساء? Number 9. Are you going to work tomorrow? هل ستعمل غدا؟ Number 10. I'm not going to live in an apartment. أنا لن أسكن في شقة. Number 11. When are you going to go to school? متى ستذهب إلى المدرسة? Number 12. Are you going to study Arabic at university? هل ستدرس العربية في الجامعة? Number 13. You are going to live in Egypt for a year. أنتم ستسكنون في مصر سنة واحدة. Number 14. They are not going to go to the cinema today. هم لن يذهبوا إلى السينما اليوم. Number 15. Are we going to go to the restaurant this afternoon? هل سنذهب إلى المطعم هذا المساء؟ Number 16. Where are you going to go tomorrow? أين ستذهب غدا? Number 17. Tomorrow I'm going to work, or I'm working 9 hours. غدا سأعمل 9 ساعات. Number 18. Tomorrow they won't be working a lot. غدا لن يعملوا كثيرا. And number 19. I'm not going to go to work today. اليوم لن أذهب إلى العمل. That's it for the sample sentences. Make sure you check out sample sentences 2 to get a closer look at how the letter ne or noon disappears from the end of the verb when we use the word lan to negate it. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments or questions about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.